Good morning, SNC Commodity Outlook for today. Bullion counter is expected to trade sideways with some short covering at lower levels. Can be seen amid weak domestic currency rupee. Gold can move in range of 29,800 to 30,600, while silver can trade in range of 50,000 to 51,500 in NCX. Gold prices fell on Thursday on speculation about the Federal Reserve next move on the US stimulus program. Gold prices slipped 3% as a sudden decline in future market shattered investor confidence, sending the precious metal to its biggest one-day drop in over 2 months. The Federal Open Market Committee is set to release a policy statement at the end of its two-day meeting next Wednesday. Some think that the opaque jobless claim data and disappointing US non-farm payroll data last week could complicate the Fed decision on this. Base metal counter, base metal complex may remain sideways with some lower level buying can be seen at current levels. Copper can trade in range of 450 to 464 in MCX, while lead can trade in range of 131 to 135, while zinc can move in range of 117 to 119 in near term. Nickel, meanwhile, can trade in range of 865 to 885 in MCX, while aluminium can trade in range of 112 to 115. London copper futures hovered near their lowest level in 5 weeks on Friday and are set to post their third weekly fallout of 4 on growing worries the US Federal Reserve would start curbing the liquidity boosting economic stimulus this month. Consensus is building among analysts that the Federal Reserve policy meeting next week could result in central bank paring back its $85 billion monthly bond purchases. The Federal Open Market Committee is set to release a policy statement at the end of its two-day meeting next Wednesday. The crude oil counter may open on green zone and can trade in range of 6850 to 7040 in MCX. Crude oil futures nudged higher on Friday towards a $13 barrel on supply concerns, but the contract was still set for the biggest weekly drop in nearly 3 months as fears of a US-led military attack on Syria recede. Besides developments relating to the Middle East nation, investors are waiting a slew of US data slated for release later in the day for more signals on whether the Federal Reserve will begin unwinding its long-standing monetary policy this month. The United States and Russia started talks on Thursday about Moscow's plan for Syria to surrender its chemical weapons, but the US Secretary of State underscored the point that military force may still be needed if diplomacy fails. Natural gas may trade sideways in range of 229 to 235 in MCX.